everyone! Welcome back to PlatterPulse, where we make quick, comforting meals that don't compromise on flavor. Today's recipe is something special because it tastes like dessert, but it's made for breakfast. We're talking about this soft, fluffy, and naturally sweet baked oatmeal cake. Think banana bread meets oatmeal in one cozy dish. This baked oatmeal cake is warm, nutritious, and made with whole ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. It's loaded with fiber from oats, natural sweetness from bananas, and a hint of maple and cinnamon to round it out. And if you're feeling indulgent, toss in some chocolate chips or top it with berries. The best part, it takes just minutes to prep, and it's perfect for meal prep too. Let's take a look at what goes into this dish. We start with 1 cup of rolled oats. These are hearty and give that perfect cake texture. You'll need 1 ripe banana. This adds sweetness and moisture. Next, 1 egg. But if you're vegan, you can sub in 1/4 cup milk or a flax egg. Add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, or you can use honey or agave. We'll add a pinch of cinnamon for warmth, half a teaspoon of baking powder for lift, and a splash of vanilla for flavor. Finish it off with a pinch of salt and 1/2 cup of milk, any kind you like, from almond to oat to regular dairy milk. Want a chocolate version? Just add a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now, let's blend it up. Add all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. It should be pourable, but thick just like a cake batter. If you don't have a blender, you can mash the banana and mix everything in a bowl at LB. A bit chunkier, but still delicious. Grease or line a small baking dish or pour in the batter and give it a tap to smooth it out. This is where you can have fun. Top it with sliced bananas, berries, chocolate chips, walnuts, whatever you're craving. Bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is golden and a toothpick comes out clean. When it comes out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes. You'll notice the edges pull away slightly from the pan just like cake. It has that cozy, soft baked inside with a golden top. You can enjoy it straight from the dish, or flip it out and slice it up like a mini loaf. Top it with a dollop of Greek yogurt, a drizzle of nut butter, or even a spoonful of jam. This recipe is great for make-ahead breakfasts. You can bake a few at once, store them in the fridge for up to 4 days, or freeze for later. They reheat beautifully in the microwave or oven. You can also double or triple the recipe to bake it in a larger pan for the whole family. So, if you're re-looking for a breakfast that tastes like dessert but is totally guilt-free, this baked oatmeal cake is it. Let me know in the comments if you're trying the vanilla or chocolate version first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves cozy recipes. Thanks for watching PlatterPulse. See you in the next video.